Nothing says festive goodness like a batch of homemade matris. Flaky, crispy and full of love. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make our pinwheel matris, I've got gehu ka atta which I'm putting in my thali. To this, I'm going to add ghee, pepper powder, Kasuri Methi, some Ajwain seeds and salt. This needs to be made into a tight dough with the help of water. I've kneaded my dough. Now what I need to do is just put some ghee on top and rest this dough for 15 to 20 minutes. The dough has been rested for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to roll. I'm going to put a liberal amount of ghee, some dry whole wheat flour, some red chili powder and some chaat masala. Next, we need to roll this. I'm going to cut this into tiny bits, press it lightly and then roll it again. This time rolling with a very light hand. I'm going to fry this in hot oil. Don't fry it on a very high flame because then your matris can stay raw and they will not be crispy. It's a medium flame to ensure even cooking. I'm draining this on a kitchen towel.